Yeah, greetings molweni sanibonani siyanibingelela ke ngani zakwethu Sevenda siyakubingelela sithi Ndimacheroni siyakubingelela Eastern Cape sithi molweni siyanibingelela Free State sithi Free State
Dumela yes isisuthu babuwanga sisuthu
dumela siyanibingelela ke ninonkana ko Northwest siyanibingelela Mahikeng sukuma lapha eKrugerstop sukuma lapho siyanibingelela ngani zakwethu sakhile ke thina eThekwini kwelika Banana la sinethulela ke khona uhlalo lwenu oluyingqayizivele yona iDurban Network igama ke usabela imfowanda base
igama ngosiya we are back with another epic episode of the Durban Network. Ngingakhohlwa ke ukuthi if ever mhlambe efamilini nine issue khona into eyenzeka ni feel ukuthi it's unresolved unattended mhlambe khona owadlwengulwa owabulawa ekhaya na amaphoyisa ngayi-attenda i-issue yenu sikhona la. This is a platform whereby you can come and talk to us, sikunike nje episode yakho uchaze ngestory sakho ukuze phela abanye abangakwazi ukusiza bakwazi ukusiza ngoba sixhumene nabantu abahlukahlukene ama-social worker, ama-lawyer, ama-advocates angakwazi ukuthi akusize enkingeni onayo enkulu ebalekile futhi ofila ukuthi iyo eyenza impilo yakhe ibuyele emuva.
Ngani zakwethu ke abafisa ukwazi kabanzi ngayo ke i-Native Guard ekuyibona abaxhasi balohlelo, you can simply go through their website which is www.nativeguard.com. You can either go to their offices which are situated in Diakonia Center office number 2030 liyaqala kuhlelo.
Aliqala uhlelo mfowethu siyabonga nje sicela niqhubeke ngokusupporta sikhona lapha ku YouTube na ku Facebook na kuyona TikTok. It's Durban Network everywhere. You know what to do. Emalokishini emakhaya in our villages la sakhulela khona kuyenza sikhule nabantu wanna achieve their dreams. Some of them abalingani ke abantu abanye they've got big dreams, you know, abanye abantu they've got just ordinary dreams whereby efuna nje ukwenza okuncane, you know. So kunalabantu abama big dreamers, you know. Uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe umfana uyakhula endaweni esemakhaya ngelinye ilanga ufuna ukuzibonena amatekisi nje amaningi, you know, yonke ahlale icabanga so uthi ushaya isicabha, you know, he's trying to make his way. He's introducing himself to that kind of a business or embonini nje basibeka ama-taxi as an example. Kwenza ukuthi aqala ayithola i-taxi yokuqala, you know, mhlawumbe azwane nabantu abam-inspire ngento right, mhlawumbe amtshela ukuthi no ukuthi ukhule you need to do 1 or 2 no 3 and stuff, you know. Imoto awudingi ukuthi uzube no cash ungayithola through i-bank and stuff, you know. Aloke ekhule umuntu mhlawumbe agcine esenamatekisi nje mhlawumbe let's put like maybe 7 taxis, you know. Yes.
Emzile nje ehlukene ngokuthi ukwazi ukuxhumana nabantu and stuff. While nama-taxi awu-7 mhlambe kube khona omunye osembonini ozothi hayi mfana kithi mina ngingapha nangale ma-trucking awukuzami nasema-trucking nayo indlela yokuya khona mhlawumbe i-truck eyodwa ubona umfana unamatekisi awu-7 ne-truck eyodwa baqhamuka abantu bathi 12. Is it a good thing yini umuntu ashizile phambili kwethu ezama impilo imshizilisa sibone ehluleke efaka ama-CV and stuff sibona ethenga itekisi lokuqala lifi itekisi lingasebenzi anikwa ama-advice abantu aloku ezama ukukhula athi mesekhulile ese-right bese sithi u-toilet.
I think it has sort of become a norm. It has also become sort of a superstition for us black people ukukholela ukuthi umuntu ume right empilweni achieve into ezithile esikholela ukuthi uthwele. It has been going on for a very long time while we are working for abantu abamhlophe who are very powerful, by the way, who are billionaires. Some of them, they are even trillionaires. Kodwa asikaze sithi bathwele. Umuntu omnyama mekhuphuko njenganathi sithi uthwele. Mhlambe into engawayipheka kuthina emqondweni kodwa I don't believe ukuthi anytime soon singaface reality zabantu abamnyama ngoba as far as I believe lento ihambelana kakhulu nomona ukuthi umuntu uthi uthwele kusuke kuyiliyanto engaphakathi kuwe esuke ingafuni ukuvuma isilwane singaphakathi kuwena esuke singafuni ukuvuma ukuthi lo muntu has succeeded, has done more than what I have done bese ikunikeza le picture yokuthi ukholele ukuthi he has used ama extra forces ukuthi abe right empilweni. So ngicabanga ukuthi kakhulu lento ukuthi abantu sithi bathwele ihambelana osuke sinomona kakhulu ngoba abantu hence we are outlining usebenzile phambi kwethi simbhekile wa-achieve into ayi-achievile walithenga itekisi lafa phambi kwethi simbhekile wayithenga i-truck yafa wayikhanda kanzima but waqongelela ngokuthi kunemali engenayo waphinde wakhokha waya ku-aplayela for enye bank ibank lamcheck-a labona ukuthi hayi lo muntu unayo imali engenayo lamnikeza enye i-truck wakhula kanjalo but one important factor about all of this is that one day I wish abantu abamnyama before sithi umuntu uthwele engathi singaqale sibone ukuthi mina ama truck uwakhokhele cash ngoba ngikholele ukuthi umuntu othwele kumele kube ukuthi mina ama truck awu5 kube ukuthi wonke they are paid out. If uthi ngithwele mina ngoba nginemoto ezimbili qala ubheka ukuthi ngizipay out in le moto or I'm struggling from month to month ukukhokhela le moto.
Because I mean like hence we are making that typical example abantu abaningi abanezinto especially powerful those things are on debt. Mhlawumbe senze umzekelo ngeGcaba Brothers you'd find ukuthi 50% of their taxes are still paying. Or mhlawumbe 60 to 70% are still paying. But you have somebody also to bathwele laba one. How? Because like they make like an arrangement with the bank.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi inhle kakhulu example oyenza ngoba uyenza ngabantu ukuthi they've been in the taxi business for a very long time. But why up to this stage, up to this point, they cannot go and buy 50 taxis cash? Yes, they can buy in their affordance, they can only buy maybe 5 taxis cash. But they can't buy 50 taxis, of which they want to expand more in the route of taxis and have more taxis, of which bana profile rights in company, bana ama individual profiles are right for ukuthi banking abanikeza imali. So they are using that advantage because they want to grow and become the biggest empire in the taxi industry. So abantu ngicabanga ukuthi abanye abantu ababuye bafake lo moya abantu kakhulu labantu besintu mhlambe abahlulayo bathi hayi uzothatha ukuthi nobani bathatha ukuthi nayo lento ethatha lento singayibuka as into etrende manje but into endala kubantu sithina abantu abamnyama ukuthi umuntu wesintu nje just an indigenous person mhlawumbe ohlola ngamakhambi esinto lapha athi hayi wona ukhala mhlawumbe uzokhala uthi hey kamakhelwane bacebile mina nginalutho akutshela ukuthi hayi khona into abayithatha abantu banenyoka ingakho becebile be right wena ngeke uzucebe ngoba nawe ethatha into ethile ezokwenza ukuthi ucebe only to find ukuthi labantu bayamakhelwana nalomuntu bakoleta imoto nalomuzi abahleli kona bawukhokhela kabuhlungu basebenza kanzima ukuze balale bedlile ngoba banekweleta ezibaxinile kodwa lo muntu uzokutshela lento. I think nabantu nabelaphi bendabuko basimisdirect kakhulu sabantu ekutheni basifundise basibonise ngathi abanye abantu abangcono kunathi bathwele.
Sisase kuyiGcaba Brothers kune garage elikhona la eThekwini ngeke ngilisho ke ukuthi limamaphi negama lalo for safety reasons mhlambe zabo and stuff. Bathenga igarage okanye mhlawumbe singathi mhlawumbe bathatha lento ethi franchise ye garage but they've got shares kulelo garage for which a lot of taxis athela lapha ya upetrol noma udiesel naba ama tax abo athela lapha uDiesel, for which I think it was a very wise decision, especially for abantu abasuka kwi-taxi industry siyazi njengokuthi iphethwe abantu who are illiterate, people who are uneducated, people who can't think. But when they went to that position of owning a garage that they know with almost all their taxis, especially the ones that are in Durban, athela lapha. So ikhona yini pattern engasikwa abanye ama-owners noma abanye association ekutheni let's build up, have a garage and like singanikeza imali amaSulumane or something.
Yeah, I think njengoba usushilo mfowethu uchaze konke, but iningi pattern engasikwa abanye abantu abaphethe ama-taxi ngoba i-business lama-taxi siyazi ukuthi liya fluctuate, it goes up and down in terms of the value, even in terms of the profits, because masingabheka enyangeni inyanga inama peak times, inama low times as well. But I like it ukuthi bayenza lento yokuthi baqale venture into another avenue of the business, because taxes alone babona ukuthi ayasebenza, but kuyadingeka ukuthi babe nento eyi-backup. Ngike ngezwe kunenye futhi insizwa ngale emthwala ekuthiwa edume ngegama lika Slow Poison yakamaphumulo, nayo isine garage ngaleli bizwa ngeGlobal. So I think naye mhlawumbe wasika iphethini kuzona insizwa zakagcaba, kodwa into enhle kakhulu ukuthi abafowethu abasembonini yamatekisi ukuthi babe namanye amabhizinisi. Bakhona nabanye abanama-truck kanjalo njengoba uke washo, into enhle ngoba it's not a sustainable business into yamateksi. Inezimpi eziningi amateksi ayama, udinga ukuba nayo leyo extra profit esuke i-external from the root of amateksi, wazi ukuthi whatever happens within imboni kodwa uyazi ukuthi there's a guaranteed profit profit which is coming externally.
Induku, sikhulume ngenduku, it has been sort of a culture ebeyisetshenziswa kahle singanje umkhuba obokhona usaloku khona namanje, besithi uzowa kodwa still futhi usathola amandla kakhulu eKZN, uyawathola kakhulu amandla. Mhlawumbe ngakuba induku iyinto eright yini ukuthi uma nje umuntu ekhulisa ingane mhlawumbe abuya iJoje ngeenkulumo ezithi mfana ubodlala induku phela, ngakubi into mhlawumbe eright yini ukuthi yenzeke?
Into right, into engekho right, into beneficial, into engekho beneficial. I think into ebalekile kakhulu ukuthi ingane yakho uyikhulisa kanjani, imfundiso oyipha zona ukwesiphi space. Lento le icounta ngespace kakhulu, but induku mostly abantu abayidlalayo singakhuluma nje singafihli ukuthi abantu othola ukuthi kunama activities abasuke bezowaluza mostly asuke hamba ne-education, because akujwayelekile ukuthi abantu aba-educated babe kumdlalo wenduku. Ujwayeleke kakhulu kulabantu abasuke behlala endaweni zasemakhaya abasuke bengenawo lawo ma-practices educational kakhulu asuke ezobenza advanced to an extent ukuthi babe nama-degrees, ama-diplomas, ama-bachelors, etc. So I think for me iwumdlalo right, but providing ukuthi wena ngaleso sikhathi usuzipositione ku. But in terms of building the discipline within a village boy, uyumdlalo right kakhulu, yenza ukuthi u-understand ukuthi ngipractice ukudlala induku, then nge-weekend ngiyahamba ngiyodlala induku, ugcina uphuma kwezinye izinto. But we might also put it in a big exposure ukuthi it has also contributed ekutheni abanye abantu babe nesibindi esikhulu esenza ukuthi bagcine behlukumeza abantu besimame, behlukumeza emakhaya, abanye baze bagcine beba ama-hitman because isibindi basithole from ukudlala induku, ngoba abanye besebenzisa imithi. I think leyo mithi yegcine ibaphendula babe nesibindi esikhulu. I think into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi abantu abadlala induku baphume kakhulu ey'ntweni zemithi, induku uyidlale nje genuinely, ngamandla akho nangokuzithemba kwakho, ungasebenzisi impande ezizokwenza ukuthi ufuna uku-enhance isibindi ugcine lezo mpande sezikwenza ukuthi ube nesibindi esesidlulele.
Shouldn't we say abantu abanjengano Phakela Umthakathi abadlala induku abayiqhwaga zenduku, but noma bekhuluma he has worked in an office of the IFP. I think now wagcina ephuma ke ngezizathu zepolitiki, as politics is politics as always. But noma ekhuluma you could tell ukuthi he's enlightened, like he understand where we are, I understand the generation that we're in, like he communicates in a broader light with the generation that is in right now, but still very in a position of upholding our values and cultures, customs and acts. But induku usayibambile uyayidlala while he's very modern on the other side.
Yeah, he's one of abantu abamodern, hence we are outlining. He's very modern. I've heard him speaking. He can even speak a very better English, by the way. So you can see ukuthi he's a person who's abstracted to the technology, understand he has adopted himself into the modern way of living, and it's very good for induku, hence we are outlining ukuthi sekunabantu abanjenganaye who have like been upholding ama-office anjengewe-IFP, whereby you have to be very precise entweni ozenzayo, kodwa still uyakwazi ukudlala induku, kodwa still u-understanda izinto ezihambelana ne-technology. It's very good of him. I think abantu kumele basike i-pattern, but on a broader note, induku as into eyaziwa njenganento yabantu abayiqhwaga, I wouldn't promote ukuthi abantu bajaha ukuthi bayodlala yona befuna ukuzifanisa noPhakela Umthakathi, ngoba akusiwo wonke umuntu ocabanga njenganaye. Mhlampe yena into ayithanda from esakhula, kodwa kwathi noma esefundile waqhubeka wayithanda. So ngicabanga ukuthi abantu kumele baforward imfundo kakhulu phambili, then induku bayilethe after, ngoba kuzo avoida lokuthi bagcine sebebelievele ekutheni kumele babe iqhwaga.
Sesivala upresident wethu wase-South Africa, Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa. He had a meeting with the Nigerian president. One of the things that he said is that he would like to see more of the Nigerian products on South African shelves. Lokhu kukhoze i-confusion kubantu base-South Africa, ngoba banomuzwa wokuthi abantu base-Nigeria are drug traffickers. They are involved in human trafficking and all other bad activities that are happening in Africa. Nigerians are being labeled and involved in that.
Sikhumbuke ukuthi upresident wethu uMatamela upresident olwazisayo oya ngapha nangapha, ngeke size sikufihle lo, it goes without saying. Uthenga isikele emsana ombani. Upresident wethu ufana nomuntu ungafika wena ushinto emnandi ayijabulele, kungafika omunye amazi ukuthi wenza izinto ezimbi but ashinto emnandi yena ayijabulele. Upresident engathi uyalwayiza, akazazi, akanaso stand. So uvumela noma yini. Sike sabona ama-video namaningi ahlukahlukene. Abantu base-Nigeria everywhere in the world baxoshwa ngoba badume ngokuthengisa ama-drugs nokuba involved kuma illegal deals agcina ekhosta i-economy ye-country. So i-country ne-country abafika kuyona khona leyo into abazoyikhoza esuke izogcina damage i-image yaleyo country. So I don't think ama-Nigerians abantu aba-good to an extent ukuthi ungazi uba-promote. Yes, ama-products abangaba khona e-Africa or e-South Africa per se, kodwa not ukuthi into ongazi uyoyikhuluma ngoba vele abantu aba-recognized for bad deeds. So I think it was a bad move from uPresident wethu Ramaphosa.
A bad move by our president Cyril Ramaphosa. Siyalivala uhlelo kule ngosi ebesikuyona njengamanje. Sinesihambeli
sethu uPablo insizwa ebuya khona lapha kaMbiyane eshaya umusic omnandi we-hip hop. Bafethu ningakhohlwa ukuthi speaking of music, ngawo umhla ka-1 January kuzobe kuneshow ekhona ekuthiwa umgqiqo festival so besikhona kuyona siyiphathayo as iDurban Network khona lapha emagabheni eDK Lounge ngiyezwe ngathi noPablo uzobe khona kanti sikhona nensizwe ezizobe zikhona ezinye oDJ Ndu oDJ Tweety oDJ Sindo abafana bomgqiqo from iGagasi FM yobe kushubile kakhulu sazokuleke sithi nje iline up ngoba phela as iDurban Network we are part of that particular show so leke sikhuluma ngayo mhlambe soba noSindo eza khona la eshowini uTweety ezokhuluma ngayo leyo event.
Yeah, Pablo is our next guest. Must be a market aware.
Thank you.
Yeah, nganza kwethu siphinde sinamukeleke ohlelweni lwenu oluyingqayizivele. This is Durban Network. Nginthembisileke belu ukuthi masibuya ke ngiphethe uPablo, a hip hop artist. Azositshela kabanzi kanjani ngane kwethu siyakumukela ohlelweni.
Ngiyabonga bafethu ngokuthi ngibe nasohlelweni. So nje ngijabule kakhulu sigcineni ngicine ngikwazile ukuthi sihlele lento sikwazi ukuyenza.
Yeah, dala sihlela nalensizwa nganza kwethu lapha emakhaya kodwa ke ngokwesimo sezinto lokungenzeki kuvimbeka lapha nalapha ya kodwa finally we are having him on the street. Uqale nini music and why out of all these genres you've decided to do hip hop?
Fethe qala nami music ngabala ngokuthini ngoqale ngisemncane kakhulu because mangidlala ingoma namanje mangihleli nomuntu bayangibuza uyazi kanjani le ngoma cause indala also
yeah
I really love music in such a way like I can still play with the fun rose even now nale impahla zoza Africa bombongeni ngema so
yeah stimela sasezo
even ikhona sasitoki ithi esenzile si hip hop
yeah
so ke ngithande lesakudala imisukubi sona cause usiremindile ukuthi ni ungayenza into yakudala iphinde ibe yintsha
yeah
so uqala ngizirecorda ke qale ngo2012 I think bengisamncane kakhulu 2012 nje sami so record SMG kaMgayi nabafethi abadala kunathi bazobabuza usini bengisabekela ngisho isitulo uze ngikwazi ukureach mic ngisemncane kakhulu
okay wakaMgayi wena ikhonda okhulele kuyona
mina ngambiyane bengisuka nje for all the way mbiyane to Mgayi to kwenza ama recordings and kodwa mina nje ngisuka kambiyane straight.
Why Pablo? Out of all the names you I mean pop out like was biza ngoPablo lisho ukuthini legama kwa
leli gama mfethu yazi kanjani so kuno Pablo so ngathanda igama kuyena so okunyeke nokunye hayi kodwa ngathanda igama kuyena so khona ngoma engangayenza damn I feel like a Pablo after ke lo song leyo
yeah
then ngabe sengisebenzisa lelo gama cause yena fit ngathanda nje yena kodwa ukuthi wenza yini ke nanja naye kodwa uyena umuntu engamthanda nali igama lakhe cause namanje babashe uEscobar nje ngithi cha no angiyona Escobar Plus Pablo.
Oh yes Pablo.
Yeah ngazi ngawubhala nangendlela ehlukileke bengubhala ngawubhala njenganaye kodwa nje kwaba igama.
Tell us about your music like what kind of lyrics that you write. We know that you are a hip hop artist but you know Kendrick Lamar like who write the deep stuff nabantu who are commercial and stuff. Would you consider yourself as a storyteller or mhlambe commercial? You look at what is selling, what people are interested to at that time. Ubhala kanjani?
The way ngibhala khona mfethu ngikwenza kube kuningi ngisatshe like ngiyazi kwakhona ama couples yabo so ama couple into ehlezi khona ngesikwazi ukuthi ngiyazi abe khona most of the time ngoba ngibe ngishaya kanjalo then ke mase ke ngiyishaya ke nezinye ke phela cause I do rap but I'm focusing on the trap soul yeah so ngenza izingoma ezikanjalo so kahle in fact ngifuna ukuba like musician la cause nginayo ingoma ngifeature khona eqomo I do trap soul trap rap so yeah ngizibala nje under musician cause muqhamuka ne beats isinento yakhona
yeah
awu sikhala phezulu kwayo
mhlambe experience yakho working in different studios how has it been so far?
First kona sengisebenzile nazo i-studio eziningi yabo so ngize mhlambe ngizimishini ngamagama kodwa ke mfisi nawo afese ngisebenza nabo so baba naluvo engomeni ukuthi okay look ngimise kanje kodwa ke manje futhi nje engisathanda namanje ukusebenza nazo like i-Future Kings based on Dududu ngizoba i-Deck 5 bala eMlazi waya yeah so abafisi laba mangisebenza nabo so baba no ukubona nabo ukuthi enza kanje so lento siyiplana together sonke ukuthi ngumi iphuma ithando abantu so ufuna usebenza nabantu abahlukahlukene so noma bafaka ivo lakho nawo na iplan yakho ukuthi ngoma uzoyenza kanjani
Have you worked with maybe vocalists nje abantu ukuthi ubasengomeni yabo noma bona baba sengomeni yakho noma ever since you started like rapping like njalo ingoma ihlezi ne vocal lakho kuphela?
Ngisebenzile nabo abafethu nje ngingababala I've worked at a K2 so Angel MK yabo baningi nje futhi kahle sengisebenze nabo so benza izinto ezihlukene yeah so nami ngiqhama nokuhlukana ngisasesenze into ehlukile sihlanganise kanje sibone singaphuma yini.
Have you been into battlefields like mhlawumbe ukuthi ngiqhudelana ngokurapper ngingqama rhymes ama punchlines?
Siya rapper even noma nje futhi ungaze ngizeke speaklishe nabafeeds kodwa nje sometimes masihlangene sawashaya ama freestyles yabo shaya ama freestyle urap ngalendlela orapper ngasiboneke yabo cause even though ama freestyle engawonto nje mfethu ngihlezi ngiyenza but mina ngiyakholwa ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ingoma uzabantu bayithanda hlala pastel beats mase uyibhanga because freestyle usokusho lonto ecabanga ngaleso sikhathi so akuyona into ke engithini njalo kuyenza cause indlela engenza ngayo mina ngenza umoya music useceleni ngibase kakhulu kwandla ngishiya iqansi trap soul kodwa nalokunye ngiyakwazi ukwenza so ngikholwa ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngidlala ibeat ngibisengcile epenini.
There's something that we call a kasi rap kune rap which is more a cultured rap mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi incike kakhulu mhlawumbe kwi vernacular language yakho. If you are a Zulu then it's much of it is a Zulu so when ungazibeka ukumixa konke lokho noma khona ilanguage oncike kuyona kakhulu.
I do mix it because I can rap in English and then mase ngenza naso isiZulu sometimes ekuhlanganise konke yeah evenike nabo lawo isuthu kancane even uma ngekho good because khona ngengikuzwe ngi-add ngenzela ukuthi wonke umuntu akwazi ukuyithanda even mathwana mhlambe ke ukhuluma isingisi ukhuluma isiZulu nesuthu so zabeza uline nabo kodwa khona ama language ngekho good kona like ngizona isuthu lezi nje ngiquote kulo ma lines lawo mhlambe naso isiXhosa kodwa mina mangibhala nje futhi I use English and Zulu.
Pablo in the next 3 to 5 years umbone kuphi?
Far.
Very far
because I'm still pushing myself. So even my guys are still pushing me. So as I was telling you before, we work as a team. So I still see myself far from the next 5 years. It could be something else.
It would be something else.
Yeah.
We are about to play your song featuring Angel, which is Spin My World. Awusichazela le ngoma before sidla usiperformele.
Spin My World Around. Yeah, because I'm part of release an EP called like Race Against. So Race Against like making something all look new. So Spin My World, going on my DJ Ken. So I like the line Spin My World Around. So I change it to a trap soul.
Yeah.
But I call that line Spin My World Around.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you think chance I in music from old school. Even now ngidlala nje old school. Isikhathi esiningi lezi izinto ngiyadlala phela zona cause nazo ziyaexist kodwa old school.
Yes. This is Pablo. Spin My World Around. It's a song that is performing for us. It is Devon Network. We are out of here with a beautiful performance by Pablo.
To tell what you want, I get it, oh baby. Since I met you, I've changed. You make it better, man, I swear. Your love is filling my heart. Yeah. You know I got it. One day I'll buy it with Gucci. You also deserve it, Louis. Hey, we be looking good, each and every week. Hey, it's make up of memories. Never mind when you get to smoking all the trees. Cause I think by you every time when I get high.
I don't wanna lie, boy, yeah, you stole my heart. I don't wanna lie, boy, you busy running on my mind. I don't wanna lie, boy, yeah, you blow my mind. I don't wanna lie, yeah. You spin my world around. You spin my world, you spin my world, you spin my world around. You spin my world around. You spin my world, you spin my world, you spin my world around. You spin my world around. You spin my world, you spin my world, you spin
I be
my
thinking
world
about you,
around.
baby. Every time I close my eyes, all I see is your face. Girls like you, baby. All a guys like me. Don't you stress about these lame dudes. Give me all of you. You get all of me. Your time is all that I need. I give you what you need. When I'm with you, I feel like far from earth. And you do this every time.